Ciao tutti, it's Mari here and welcome to another video. It's the end of the month and I'm back with another bullet journal video. I'm going to be setting up February layout in my bullet journal. As for January, this one will stay kind of minimalist look. It's a bit more drawing, there are a bit more drawing than January, but still I'm kind of prefer a minimalistic layout look. So I'm starting with a bold font for February, and I'm just recreating this letter scheme, more sketchy look, and just adding some shadow with the black pen. After that, you will see on this video, I'm sorry, the light is not the best quality on this video, because while I was filming outside it was pretty cloudy, yes, and I just turned on my lights, my artificial lights. It's fine, but then outside again the light was switching from cloudy and then the sun was appearing, and so it will be like that pretty much in all of the video. I will fix probably next time. I have to buy a new lights, I guess. Anyway, so I'm just, as I said, I'm just doing some shadow in the letters, and this again is a simple look. Just you can grab your marker and recreate it really easily in your art journal, in your bullet journal as well. And the theme of this February, I was inspired by Beauty and the Beast, because it's my favorite cartoon, and I decided to recreate the rose. That is not really red, because I didn't like the red to, I don't know, was too bright for me, so I decided to do it in pink, light pink. I decided to do some circle, 4 circles for the 4 weeks. I will do this monthly spread in this way, so I will have all the summary of the day of the month and the day of the week. I did the same approach for January, and I think I like this look. But maybe next time I will do the monthly look on the other page, on the left page instead of the right, because I think it's easier than when you need to plan your weekly spread to have a look on the left side. Anyway, so I'm just recreating the circle. I'm using my trusted helper to create a circle, but then I'm getting the line a bit bolder just by hand. And so I'm recreating 3 circles, one inside the other, and then inside I will just add the monthly days. For the rose, I'm using first layer as just light pink, and then I'm going with a bit darker pink to do some shadow and to draw the line. As you can see, it's just simplistic look of the rose. And then I will add some leaves with green. I will not color inside all the leaf, just doing the shadow. And then I will also pass again all the borders, all the line art with the black pen. I think it's a nice, simple way to do a rose. On the left page, on the bottom, I left some space, and then I just recreated a rectangle there with the green pen, same color that I was using for the rose. The idea was to have a space to put some note on it. That's what I did in January as well. In January I just put a wish list over there, but for February I think I'm gonna put some information for the school that I'm searching for my son. So I decided to have just one space for random note, and I don't know, I didn't like to have two white space over there. And then this time I decided to add a quote, again from Beauty and the Beast, and it's saying, "Love, real love, sees with the heart, master, not with the eyes." And I like the quote. So I'm just doing with the darker pink, and then I will do some shadow with the black pen as well. And since the February font was a bit too black and white, I decided to add some shadow in pink. Moving on to the next page, I've decided to have a brain dump page. I did the same in January and was really useful. I'm usually a person that takes a lot of notes, so I think at least one page empty where I can put something that I have on my head, it's a good solution. But in January I was doing a bit further on the monthly spread, so it was, I think, the fourth page, and now instead I decided to have a bit just after the monthly spread. The rows are have the same look as before. And then on the next page, this is something that I didn't do it on January, but I was thinking that I need a space to put some idea or some note of what I have to do after COVID. Hopefully we'll finish soon. And also when I will go to Italy, because sometimes I have to, I don't know, like revise the ID card or passport, all those kind of stuff, or medical appointments, something that I can move after COVID or that I have to do when I will be in Italy, hopefully soon. And then is the most used page for January, for example. I decided to have one page for my YouTube plan video. And this time I changed the spread. As you saw on January, I was doing more a square where to put the title of the video, and then some note, and then all the tracker. In this time I decided to simplify a bit more, and I think I don't need all those 2 pages of space. So I will just have some boxes with my code about the status of the video, like editing, voiceover, etc., thumbnail, etc. And I will put also some square for when I have to post, if I posted, let's say, for Facebook, for Instagram, for Pinterest, to just have a good track of the video and the status where I am. So I will just then, when I will do an activity, I will just color it with the pink, as I did for January. And then I will left the rest of the page empty, so if I need to add some notes, then I have some space. Usually I'm filming, let's say I'm posting 4 video per month, so 1 video per week. So maybe I would were enough just 4 boxes, but I decided to have more space just in case I will film some short. That's my idea, but I still didn't start. And so I just replicated the other 4, so I will have more space for video planning if needed. Doing the YouTube plan in just one page give me the possibility to have on the next page some Instagram plan as well. I didn't use so much last time. I'm trying more a simplistic look in this case and see if it will work, but I'm still not into Instagram as much as I'd like to be, but I still want to have some space on just to see which picture I can post and when. And since one full page was too big, I decided to have just the bottom part for some learnings or some note while I'm trying or testing a few new techniques for my art journals, and that's that section. Now I'm starting the weekly spread. Again, I wanted to change the look of January. January was fine, but I think it was too simplistic. So I'm trying to integrate again my 3 big rectangle where I will put one the work week, because again I'm not doing, I don't need so much space for the week because I'm working, and so one box is more than enough. And then I have one box dedicated for February, and then a small box for the weekend, because again I'm not doing much in the weekend. I have kind of family time or family activities. So I think this way of the weekly spread should be fine. I don't have the notes section in this page. I will have on the next page, but I have plenty of space, empty space if I need, so then I can just add some note here and there. And I decided to add the rows just on the side, on the right side. Then I wanted to have also the number of the day. That's something that in January I didn't do, but it was really needed. I felt that it was really an important thing that I had to add, and so that's why I'm putting also the day of the month. I wasn't sure for the next week if it was good to recreate the same exactly look, but I didn't want to have really a mirror page, so I decided to have the boxes that the similar approach that I had in January, so just 3 boxes in the pages with some space on the bottom for some note, and I just put the rows also in the bottom. And that will be my weekly spread, so I will have always on the left that look of 3 boxes, one touching each other, and on the right I will have a more simplistic look, just with the note space as well. finally, I noticed that I didn't have space for some review or some wish list, so I decided to add this final page with this split, as I did for the after COVID and going to Italy. So that's the look that I decided to use. I'm not so sure that this is fine. I would have preferred to have this page before the weekly spread, but okay, I just forgot it. And I left the right page empty. I'm still not sure about what I'm gonna do on the right page. I think I'm gonna do some monthly final review. That's it for this layout. Let's do a really quick flip through of this spread. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed setting up February with me, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye and see you soon!